Recon man, back with another seat repair. And repair up this armrest on a Chrysler Pacifica. And then we got a seat die on this Cadillac XT5. You can see it's got the bluing transfer on the sides. Comes off of the close, and then it's missing color up top. I'm back with the finished product on the Chrysler Pacifica armrest. I did the best I could with it, given the scenario. It won't get worse. It's got some extra life in it. That's a good thing. I'm working on the color match for the XT5 right now. Back in a minute. Back with the finished product on the Cadillac XT5. It's a great color match. Good coverage. That wraps this one up. Later.